with John Linneball from John Linneball Tutoring, and here's another last-minute SAT advice video. My SAT advice basically hasn't changed because the SAT hasn't changed since the last few administrations of the test, since they changed the test back in 2015. So the last minute advice for June 3rd, 2016 will apply perfectly well for October 1st, 2016 and any later administrations to come until we are put on notice. And the SAT lets people know very far in advance, a year or two at least in advance, that the SAT will be changing when they change it. So you can find some advice on rate problems such as distance equals rate times time and work equals rate times time. And you can find some information on how to write the essay, including some suggestions for an opening paragraph and how to write the body paragraphs and the conclusion. And in fact, here's a sample essay that I wrote for the SAT using a prompt from the College Board's official SAT study guide. This is all on my blog, which you can find by going to johnlinneball.com and just clicking on blog, answers to frequently asked questions, and more. Basically, almost all my SAT and ACT advice applies. There are a few things like sentence completion, fill in the blank kind of things that don't really apply anymore because they don't have those on the SAT, but they do have those on the SSAT and the ISEE and other tests like that, so you might be able to use it for something like that. You can go back to April 2016 and find some more last-minute SAT tips from then. You can go back even further, say to January 2015, find some ACT advice. You can go back to December of 2015, and you can find a note for the January 23rd, 2016 ACT and a little advice on how to study and what you should review, such as the geometry of lines, circles, triangles, cubes, and cylinders. Definitely please make sure that you have reviewed how to do the essay and that you've done an essay under timed conditions before you try to do it on the SAT. You really don't want to try to write one of these 50-minute essays where you have to review a piece of writing for the first time on the actual SAT that you're taking. I also have lots of blog entries with math formulas, sample problems, and things like that. So definitely please come to johnlinneball.com, click on my blog, and look around. You'll definitely find information that will help you on the SAT and also on the ACT. If you would like some tutoring, you can always click on contact and contact me through the contact form, or you can call me at area code 415-986-7355 or at area code 408-780-8378. That's 408-780-TEST, T-E-S-T, and leave a message for me and I'll get back to you. All right, I hope this helps. Good luck.